Hey there, welcome to my another tutorial on Windows 10. In this video I will show you how to fix keyboard keys not working problem in Windows 10 and 11. First of all, we need to click on this start icon. And then click on settings. Once we are here, then we click on ease of access. Now on the left side scroll down until we found the keyboard option. After finding, click on keyboard option. And on the right side you will see on screen keyboard option, enable this option. So once we are here, we have to go to search bar, and type here run, and click here. And then type here regedit, and click on OK. Now expand H key local machine. Then expand system folder. Then expand current control set. And expand the services folder. Once we are here left, keep scrolling down until we found the i8042 port. After finding, click on it. And on the right side select start and right click on your mouse. Select modify. And we have to change the value data as to 1. And then click on OK. That's it. Now close this window and restart the system. And your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.